Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cos IQ Vitamin B3-20 Serum. First, ensure your face is clean and dry. Take about 2 or 3 drops of the serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat the product evenly across your face and neck. Let it fully absorb into your skin for a few moments before moving on to your next skincare step. This ensures maximum efficacy. For optimal results, you can apply the Cos IQ Vitamin B3-20 Serum either once or twice a day. Many people prefer to use it both in their morning and evening skincare routines. Consistency is truly key here. Regular application helps achieve noticeable improvements in your skin's appearance. Remember to always finish your morning routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. The Cos IQ Vitamin B3-20 Serum is packed with 20% niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. This powerful ingredient works wonders by helping to minimize the look of enlarged pores and refining your skin's texture. It also significantly improves uneven skin tone and strengthens your skin's natural barrier, leading to a healthier, more radiant complexion. To ensure compatibility, always perform a patch test on a small area of skin before full facial application. Be careful to avoid direct contact with your eyes when applying the serum. For optimal product longevity, store your Cos IQ Vitamin B3-20 Serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. If you experience any irritation, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.